Imagine waking up one day to find that a simple YouTube channel you created is now making you thousands of dollars every single month. No face on camera, no expensive equipment, just AI tools and a strategy that works. You might think this is just another get-rich-quick scheme, but let me tell you, this is real. Right now, I discovered a channel which is making over $100,000 a month using this exact method. And I also copied that to make videos like that. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy this strategy step by step. And here's the thing, I'm not here to teach you how to make just another random YouTube video like every other YouTube guru out there. My goal is to help you building a real profitable channel using strategies and tools. But before you think it's as simple as hitting upload, let me be clear. There's a method to this, and if you don't follow it properly, you'll end up wasting your time. Stick with me to the end of this video, and you'll have everything you need to start making money with faceless YouTube videos. Now, some of you might be thinking about clicking away, but that would be a huge mistake. If you don't watch until the end, you'll miss the key steps that could make all the difference in your success. Let's dive in. The best way to build a successful YouTube channel is to copy what's already working. The creator I showed you at the start of this video has over 1 billion views. That kind of success isn't luck. They're still getting millions of views today, proving that this niche is perfect for growth. I've spent weeks studying their strategy and breaking it down into simple, repeatable steps. Follow along, and you'll learn exactly how to launch your own viral channel with minimal effort. Your branding needs to be on point from day one. Open YouTube, create a new channel, and choose a name that fits your niche. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate unique channel name ideas. Next, you need a professional-looking logo. Use Leonardo AI to generate a high-quality logo in just a few clicks. Set up a catchy channel description using AI to help with SEO optimization. This will help your channel rank higher in search results. Step 2. Creating viral content. This is where the magic happens. If you want to make money, you need a viral script. And the easiest way to do that is by modeling what already works. Most important part of your video and the best way to craft one is by learning from proven success. Instead of starting from scratch, here's how. 1. Find a viral video in your niche and copy its link. 2. Use any script extractor tool to extract the script. 3. But don't just copy it. Rewrite it using AI to make it unique while keeping the same storytelling structure. But here's the key. You can't just copy it. You need to make it original. I'll show you a simple trick using AI to create a unique, engaging script that keeps viewers hooked. Stay with me, and I'll walk you through the entire process. Step 3. Creating the video. Now that we have the script, let's turn it into a video. 1. Generate voiceover. Use 11 Labs to create a high-quality AI voiceover. Choose a voice that fits your niche, deep and eerie for scary stories, so I'm creating the voiceover. 2. Create visuals. Use Leonardo AI to generate high-quality images for your video. Make sure they match the script's theme. Paste the every prompt for each scene. You can also get the prompt from ChatGPT by uploading your script. ChatGPT will give the best prompts for each scene. 3rd, edit your video. Import everything into CapCut, arrange the visuals with the voiceover, and add motion effects to make it engaging. 4. Enhance with effects. Add transitions, zoom effects, and subtle animations to keep the video dynamic. 5. Add background music. Download royalty-free music that fits your video's mood and adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Step 4. Thumbnail and SEO optimization. Even the best video won't get views without the right thumbnail and SEO strategy. Here's how to optimize it. Create a thumbnail using Leonardo AI with bold colors, strong emotions, and clear text. Generate any clickable scene for the video and add any bold text that make people to click the video. I have made my thumbnail. Generate an SEO optimized title and description with ChatGPT. Give ChatGPT to generate a best title and description of the video. For writing tags, you can use any tags extractor tool. Copy your competitor's video link and paste that into tags extractor tool. This will give you the all tags of that video. Step 5. Upload and monetization. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube, set it to public, and add all your SEO details. To monetize your channel, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is easier than you think if you post consistently. Once monetized, you can make money through AdSense, affiliate marketing, and even selling digital products. Conclusion, call to action. And just like that, you've created a fully optimized, high-quality, faceless YouTube video that has the potential to go viral. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more strategies that can help you make money online. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover more advanced tactics in the next video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for premium materials. Now go and take action, and I'll see you in the next one.